975/1000 CompXM Round 1 to 4 Answers in CompXM Guide, Top 99% in CompXM, CompXM 2025 CompXM 2026 Tutorial, Strategic Decision Making in CompXM, a practical MBA-level guide to scoring 99% Introduction. CompXM, the comprehensive exam for the CapSim business simulation, serves as a culminating experience for business students, testing their understanding of strategic decision-making in a simulated, dynamic marketplace. This guide synthesizes a high-performing strategy based on real outcomes, e.g., a score of 971 out of 1000, and offers a structured, analytical approach to rounds 1 to 4. The guide not only addresses tactical decisions in R&D, marketing, production, human resources, finance, and total quality management, TQM, but also contextualizes them within broader strategic frameworks, specifically, a broad differentiation strategy. Understanding the industrial context before executing any decision, an MBA-level approach demands a deep dive into the Industry Conditions Report, which outlines the projected shifts in customer preferences across segments. For example, in the core segment, customers expect yearly drifts in performance, plus 0.8, and size, minus 0.8. These drifts imply that firms must continually enhance product attributes or risk falling below customer expectations. Ignoring these drifts leads to declining customer satisfaction, ultimately affecting demand, pricing power, and contribution margins. Strategic positioning, broad differentiation. Why broad differentiation? This strategy aims to serve a wide range of segments with superior products, characterized by higher performance and smaller size. Moderate to high prices. Differentiation through brand equity and customer awareness. Advantages, flexibility in adapting product lines if errors occur. Higher margins per unit due to premium positioning. Competitive advantage through non-price attributes, e.g., age, reliability. R&D decisions, aligning product attributes with segment needs. Each product must align with customer expectations in performance, size, reliability, and age. 3.1 Product AFT, Elite Segment Customer Preferences, Age, 0.0 Ideal, High Performance, Smallest Size, Reliability of 20,000 to 26,000. Proposed adjustments, O. Increase performance from 12.2 to 14.2. O. Decrease size from 9.0 to 8.2. O. Set reliability to 26,000. Rationale, outperform competitors like Dart by increasing differentiation value. 3.2 Product Agape, Thrift Segment Customer Preferences, Age 3.0, plus or minus 0.5, Value Pricing, Performance 6.0, Size 14.0. Proposed adjustments, O. Performance, 6.70 Size, 13.50 Maintain reliability at 20,000. Rationale, compete against low-cost leaders, e.g., Bold, Bid, with improved specs and pricing agility. 3.3 Product AB, Core Segment Customer Preferences, Age 2.0, Performance 9.4, Size 10.0, Reliability 16,000 to 20,000. Proposed adjustments, O. Performance, increased to 9.40 Size, reduced to 10.0 Reliability, maintain at 22,000 for differentiation. Rationale, directly challenge Coat by fine-tuning performance and size alignment. 3.4 Product Atom, Nano Segment Customer Preferences, Ideal Position is Crucial, Age 1.0, Reliability up to 24,000. Proposed adjustments, O. Performance, 12.10 Size, 6.20 Reliability, Max at 24,000. Rationale, outmatch Dune by hitting ideal positioning and maximizing reliability. Product Portfolio Expansion, New product launched to gain strategic points for product count. 3 new products are introduced. These offerings target niche and crossover opportunities. 4.1 ANN, Crossover, Nano, Elite, Core, Performance, 12.1 Size, 6.2 Reliability, 22,000. 4.2 Annex, Nano, Performance, 13.1 Size, 5.2 Reliability, 24,000. 4.3 AEL, Elite, Performance, 18.2 Size, 7.2 reliability, 26,000 implementation considerations, initial production delayed until round 2. Capacity and automation ratings must be configured early for these SKUs. Marketing decisions, pricing, promotion and demand forecasting. Marketing plays a central role in driving sales through price optimization and brand awareness. Product price, promo budget, sales budget, customer survey goal, AFT $42, $2,000 greater than 90%, agape $20, $2,000 greater than 70%, Abby $30, $2,000 greater than 85%, Adam $40, $2,000 greater than 90%. Keynotes: price sensitivity varies. Core and thrift are more price sensitive, whereas Elite and Nano are quality focused. Promo/sales budgets increase to $2,000 each to boost awareness and accessibility. Estimation techniques combine customer survey scores with historical sales to forecast demand. Production decisions, balancing inventory, capacity and automation. Production must reconcile marketing forecasts with manufacturing capabilities. Strategic goals: avoid both stockouts, lost sales, and excess inventory, carrying costs. Adjust automation gradually to reduce labor cost over time. Ensure alignment between capacity and forecasted unit sales. Product inventory units to produce automation. Target AFT 214,875.0, agape 756. 130010.0, Abby 41 2057.5, Adam 261 885.0, new products 00, for now, 5.0. Total quality management, TQM, reducing costs and cycle time. TQM investments enhance operational efficiency and product attractiveness. Recommended spend, $1,500 per initiative. Key TQM initiatives: concurrent engineering reduces R&D cycle time. Quality function deployment, QFD, speeds up revisions and aligns specs with customer needs. Channel support systems improves accessibility and customer survey scores. Vendor just-in-time, JIT, reduces material cost. Benchmarking and continuous process improvement reduces admin/labor expenses. Outcomes: faster revision dates, e.g., AFT revised from November to August, Agape from January to October. Score bonus, up to 8 additional points per round. Human resources, building efficiency through productivity. HR inputs, recruiting spend, $5,000 training hours, 80 hours. Purpose: increase productivity index, which directly lowers per unit labor cost. Enhance employee capability, reducing production errors and increasing throughput. Financial management, optimizing leverage and liquidity. Finance decisions should aim to maintain leverage within optimal bounds, 2.0 to 2.5. Maximize days of working capital to meet scorecard benchmarks. Avoid emergency loans to preserve creditworthiness. Actions taken: issued bonds, $14,722 borrowed, $20,000, short-term loan. Rationale: balances operational funding needs. Improves leverage and liquidity metrics used in CompXM scoring. Execution metrics and performance monitoring. MBA students should also consider balanced scorecard metrics: financial, customer, internal processes, learning/growth. Key performance indicators, KPIs: O market share per segment, O contribution margin, O net profit margin, O customer satisfaction, survey percent. A dashboard approach with KPI tracking supports agile decision-making in future rounds. Conclusion: this guide provides a holistic, MBA-level roadmap for executing strategic decisions across all departments in CompXM rounds 1 to 4. Adopting a broad differentiation strategy enables robust performance across customer segments while facilitating premium pricing and product excellence. By carefully managing product development, pricing, production capacity, automation, employee productivity, and financial structure, students can aim to replicate or exceed a benchmark score of 99%. For academic and consulting use, this playbook provides both a strategic rationale and operational tactics, empowering MBA candidates to navigate CompXM with confidence and precision. Fastest support to get top results $9.99 email, behelp2002@gmail.com blog, https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com free Excel file for all 4 rounds, download from blog or send the email. Online quick support Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3sil-p9u whole game support equals $40 for 4 rounds plus 5 quizzes support equals top results.